Good afternoon, everyone. We separate substances for various reasons. For example, one may separate chilies from the food if one does not like them. You also do. When the green chilies comes in your vegetables, you separate it and then you eat the vegetables. One may also pick cherries from a piece of the cake if one is especially fond of them. So today we will learn about the different methods of separation in this chapter. The today topic is separation of substances. This is the topic today, class 6th. There are two types of the substances. One is the pure substance, second is the impure substance. Impure, now you see, substances pure or impure or mixture. Clear? The pure substance that is made up of only one type of the particles is called the pure substance. Yeah, you can say that the substance which are made up of all same kind of the atoms, same kind of the particles, that is known as the pure substance. For example, gold, silver, iron, oxygen, nitrogen. These are the pure substance. They are made up of only one kind of particles. Clear this pure substance? Impure mixtures are made up of two or more substances. Mixtures are made up of two or more substances, that is called the mixture. Mixture are two types. One is the homogeneous mixture, second is the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous, second is so mixture are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture, the mixture in which the components are distributed uniformly and cannot be seen easily. In these other substances, they disappear, they dissolve completely. They are known as the homogeneous, or we cannot see any layer. That is known as homogeneous. You take water and you take salt, dissolving, and still with the help of the spoon, the salt disappear in the water. There is no layer inside it. We can see only water. So this type of mixture is known as the homogeneous mixture. Now you take another example. You take the sugar inside it and stir it. It disappears after some time. This is also known as the homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, the mixture in which the components are not distributed uniformly and can be seen easily. We can see different layer of the substances. For example, you take a glass tumbler, take half of water and add some soils. stir it. After some time, you will see that sand does not mix properly. They form the two layers. They settle at the bottom and water is upper side. We can see another substance and water. Okay, this is clear. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous, the mixture in which the components are not distributed uniformly and can be seen easily or clearly, that is known as the heterogeneous. For example, heterogeneous soil, chalk. And what is the example of homogeneous? With water, we can dissolve salt in the water and we can dissolve sugar in water. Clear both the definitions? Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now next is the solution and solubility. Solution and solubility. When we add a teaspoonful of sugar to a glass of water and stir it, the sugar dissolve yet disappear in the water. This is because sugar gets dissolved or mixed properly or completely in water. The substance that get dissolved in solvent. Yes, the substance that get dissolved is called solute. For example, you have taken water and you add salt or sugar. After some time, you will see it is disappear. So the substance that dissolve, that is known as the solute. Solute is less quantity, and solute in which liquid, in which substance is dissolved, that is known as the solvent. The mixture of solute and solvent is called the solution. So we get the, what we add? Salt. So now you see solute plus solvent is equal to solution. What we have taken? What is the solute? Salt, solvent, water, and what is the solution we get? Salt water. Clear this? Solute, you know, it is less quantity, and in which solute dissolved, that is known as the solvent. And the mixture of the solute and solvent is called solution. Substance may be dissolved or soluble or insoluble in water. Substance may be soluble or insoluble in water. The substance which dissolve in water is called soluble substance. For example, salt or sugar dissolve in water. They completely dissolve in water, so they are known as soluble substance. Clear it? Insoluble substance, the substance which do not dissolve, yeah, that do not dissolve in water is called insoluble substance. For example, soil, chalk powder, chalk. Clear it? Now you see, of this, the substance which dissolve in water is soluble substances, and salt and sugar, which type of the mixture is homogeneous mixture, and the substance that do not dissolve in water is called insoluble substance. Is the mixture of soil and water. This is the heterogeneous mixture. Now with the help of diagram you can see, you take water and mix salt or sugar. After some time you will see that it is disappear in water. So this type of this salt is the soluble substance. Yes, soluble in water. Now you take example, take water and take some chalk inside it, stir it. After some time you will see the chalk settle at the bottom. It is insoluble in water. So this chalk is known as insoluble in